Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video I will be listening to a song by Kamal Hassan's upcoming film Indian 2. Now there are many songs from this film that have released, but I chose completely randomly this song which is called as Para. Now this is a lyric video, there are no subtitles, so yes, I'm just gonna enjoy the musicality of it. The music is given by Anirudh. So what I have been told that the songs that have been releasing for this particular film, they're doing really well, and they're really good songs. So well, I'm very willing to listen to all the songs, but do let me know after this which is the song that I should be listening to. I don't know how many songs have released because I just typed in Indian 2 songs, and like this one and one more, I think there were 3 songs. I saw 2. So this one I thought that I should, because it's almost a month old, 4 weeks have gone. So I thought maybe I should start with this, and this has garnered almost 7.3 million views. What? Okay, yeah. So let's not delay this any further. It's almost a 4.5 minute song, and yeah, let us begin. Okay. Oh. Okay. It always sounds good. Oh, the visuals. I like that. I like that. Okay, this is pumping me up, guys. What? My God, this pumped me up, huh? Shrutika, okay. Oh, I like this part. It's literally like a war cry, guys. Oh, transition, nice. Even in the visuals. Beautiful. So good. Anirudh. Wow. I'm shook it. Wow. Wow. Yes. 12th July. Audio launch 1st June. Okay, so I think all the songs are out then. Then all the songs are out. I am okay. So I am seeing that this song has different versions. That's what I was seeing in the YouTube recommendations. So Para is there. Then we have the Telugu version. I think we have the Hindi version also. Okay, cool. But I'll listen to them on my own. But the point is, okay. Firstly, Anirudh. That was incredible. You know what this song reminded me of? This song reminded me of that Chola song in Ponniyin Selvan. It kind of reminded me of that. I am not even kidding you. This song actually gave me the vibe of like a war song which is actually composed by A.R. Rahman. I swear in my head, I was like, oh, this is so reminiscent of that Ponniyin Selvan song. I loved it. The addition. So of course I'll listen to the Hindi version and I'll understand what is the meaning of the song. Maybe I'll listen to it now only. Let me just talk about the song. Yeah, I'll do that only because it's just right in front of me. So let me just play the Hindi version as well. So the song, firstly the visuals, it is just so engaging. This lyric video itself is so engaging. The vocals, the energy, and then you have the beautiful instrumentals and with the female voice. Crazy. I loved it. It was so beautifully composed. You know, I think those are, I don't know, are there drums that have been used, like the rhythm at which like the rhythm that was playing are, I'm guessing those are drums. I'm guessing. Anyone who has a musical background can clarify that. But the point is that just the transitions in the rhythm was just so intricately done and so well done, like from the fast to the slow, then again picking it up. It was so smooth. I was completely hooked and engaged with the song. I don't even know the meaning. Now I listen to the Hindi version, but I'm just saying, it just filled me up with some sense of pride, and it filled me up with energy. It was filling me up with goosebumps. It was just so much emotions that I was feeling while listening to the song, and I was totally vibing to it. I think Anirudh did a fabulous job in composing the song. This is probably, like, you know, he has a lot of great songs, but this I would definitely put in at one of his like top tier list songs for sure. It was so impactful and epic just at the first listen. Because I read that comment where somebody had requested please react to the Indian 2 songs, because they have been like creating havoc in the Tamil music space basically, and I am not even surprised. Listening to this song, I am not even surprised, guys. It was phenomenally done. Loved it, and I am really excited. I am sure now please let me know, because the lyrics are by Pa Vijay. So I don't know how you say it, guys, because I don't want to, like, do you say it like P.A. Vijay or do you say Pa Vijay? I'm just going to stick to Vijay. That's, I think, easier. Please let me know, like, how the lyrics are, because I feel that I could just feel the energy of the song, because obviously the Hindi lyrics are written by somebody else, but I want to know specifically for Para, like, how did you find the lyrics? What did it fill you with? Because the music itself filled me with so much of emotion. I'm sure that if I knew the meaning of the lyrics, the impact would have been much higher. So please let me know. And meanwhile, let me just listen to the Hindi version, guys. So I think Hindi is written by, let me just go to the credits first. Manoj Muntashir. Okay. After Adi Purush, he doesn't have a very, like, he has written some great lyrics, but after Adi Purush, a little bit Like, I'm skeptical. That's all I have to say. I was disappointed at the dialogues. Let's just keep it there. Okay, let's listen to the Hindi version as well. So Hindustani 2 and yeah, Jago. The song is called Jago. So does para mean also same? Like wake up and rise, something like that. So yeah, let's listen. This no. Oh, so good. This is not drum. I think there's something else. That thum thum thum. Oh, Yodha आ रहा है. Okay. This part. Okay. This. So when these lines are happening in the background, just that music is elevating the lines, just so beautifully done. Anirudh, fantastic. So like a freedom struggle kind of song, like song of freedom. Yodha hai. Fantastic. Amazing. No words. Beautiful. Ritesh and Ritesh. Okay, the main singer here. It's so orchestral. I love that. I love it. And then the female voice. Wow.
जख्मों से तो मरहम बना ले, आंचल से मेरे परचम बना ले, रण में ना भीगी हो धार तेरी, ला चूम लूं मैं तलवार तेरी.
This has got the chills.
सिपाही मेरे, बाहों पे तेरी सिल जाऊं मैं, तुझको दुआ में मिल जाऊं मैं, या माटी में मिलके खिल जाऊं.
Wow, what a line. Wow. I think Anuruddh outdid himself here completely. It's clearly a song rebelling against the British army. Na 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 na. Yes! I am like, woo! Dead! Oh, wow. Fantastic. Wonderful. brilliant. Absolutely no words. Just brilliant. I'm just gonna end it here. Fantastic, fantastic song. Anirudh, well done. And I'm gonna see you now on my next video. Please comment your thoughts on this song. And yeah, that's it, guys. Signing off now and see you soon on my next video. Bye.